do a quick unboxing today. We're going to unbox Logitech Z200. They have 10 watts in there. You can connect them via 3.5 millimeter jack. You are going to have a knob in the front in here, so you can actually switch the volume. Now let's see exactly if it's what we are looking for, because to be pretty honest with you, the idea was to get something that is not gonna use too much space on the table. As you can see, it's already full of stuff, and really I'm hoping this will be the answer, but honestly they look quite big already. Yeah, they are quite big. To be honest with you, I hope they are like this big, but it seems like they are like full sized. It's not something to actually be complained. Right, so one piece here, another one here, and the 3.5 jack is here, so you can actually connect it. Design is quite interesting, as you can see, quite beautiful. They are going to match honestly any room, as long as you're gonna have a little bit of black. In my case, they're gonna match the furniture and everything, plus the white which is on the walls, so it kind of makes sense. That's all about what you actually need. Let's check the cables in the back. I think they're gonna be quite long. So this one, the logic is gonna be one in the left, one in the right side, and also the cable that will connect it to the source, which can be a phone, a computer, a TV, I don't know. In this case, it's gonna be the mixer. Right, now, cable wise, it should be the power cable. Quite simple. Just a power cable, and you have to fit it in here. In the back, you just fit it in here. And that should be it. Now let's just plug it and let's have a quick test. Alright, so we're going to connect the 3.5 millimeter jack here, and let's check. We have a beautiful bit in here. Okay, let's go to videos. And I guess this is for the bus or something.